first thing you need to do, go over to the quest and claim your to-do. I'm going to tell you the password to these two videos and the riddle of the day. Okay, so let's go straight into it. The video, the first one is actually going to be this is going to be episode 3, so you have to be very careful. Let's check this one. This is episode 6. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on watch video, and then they're going to ask us to input the code. So the code for this episode 6 is actually going to be 57624, and you can go ahead and check the code 57624. Click on check, so you can see we got that correct. Okay, so the code for episode 3, okay, and then input the code. This is episode 3 and the code is going to be 97025. Click and check the code, and you see we got that correct. And then finally, we're actually going to answer this riddle of the day. Click on it, and your answer should be meter verse. Okay, click on checking the answer. As you can see, we got that correct. Try to tap and get up to 15,000, and then you can come here and claim this one. Make 7 negotiation to claim the 5th one, and then you can actually go ahead and do this. The next task we can do here right now is the daily combo. So go over to city, click on cities, click on stock exchange. So from here right now, we have to actually input 3 cards. So this is like an investment strategy whereby we invest. So the first card on our list here is actually going to be the blockchain project. I'm going to actually tell you guys the reason why you should add more allocation to this things that we're invested in. This is going to be because of the percentage that they offer. So the first card on our list is going to be the blockchain. Let's go ahead and look for the blockchain project. This one is going to give us 111%. So guys, we need to actually rank that up. Okay, I'll be lucky. Go ahead and click on it. So you've gotten it now. You can see 111%. So the next card that will give us the higher profit here is going to be electric vehicle. Let's go and click on that. And guys, we have to increase this because this will give us 85% increase. I am lucky. Click on it. You can see 85%. Okay, and the final card on our list is going to give us 65%, and this card is called gold mining tools. Click on gold mining tools and rank it up. This is going to give us a whopping 65%. Okay, go ahead and increase it, and then just click on I am lucky. So you can see it gave us 65%. Okay, so that this is just basically how to increase your allocation. And once you're done, go back to where it says go back to quest. Try to claim that or the last card, this one, invest in 3 funds, claim it, and now you can see this one. So if you want to increase this one, improve 5 different skills, go ahead and click on it, and from here you can see your skills. You can just go ahead and just improve this, improve the second one. They say we should make it 5, right? And then do the last one. Improve 5 different skills. You can improve your skills of critical thinking and empathy, and also you can also do the last one, which is ethics. So after you've done this, go back to quest and let's check if it's unlocked. You can see it's unlocked for us. You can just claim it, and the final one here is going to be this one. So click on it, and negotiation, you know how it goes. All you need to do is to negotiate, and I'm going to show you the method I use. Click on aggressive. The thing is, just keep supporting one animal for quite some time, and you might actually get to win, So we are going to be draw, but due to the fact that I have more skills compared to this guy, I won. So I'm just going to go ahead and just claim. You can do this for 7 times, and you'll be able to do the negotiation. This is negotiation. Complete 7 negotiations from the Musk Empire. Once you do that, see we've gotten our negotiation, and I won. So I'm just going to go ahead and just stop this video here, just claim all my my winnings, and then just do it 7 times, and then come back here and claim this last one. After claiming this, automatically this one will unlock for us. Okay guys, see you guys in the next video, and have a nice day. Peace out.